Okay, so let's start this super brief tutorial about making your pictures a bit more cinematic. First up, just import your picture in Lightroom or capture one on any software you use. Just select the right camera profile, go to the basic setting, adjust the exposure. You can boost the shadows a bit, maybe bring down the highlights. Alright, so now all you have to do is just go to the tint and move the slider a bit towards the green. I think this is looking good. Right, go to the tone curve, add some contrast. What I generally like to do is make the S-line curve, boost the highlights, darken the mid-tones and the shadows, probably raise the shadows a bit. Okay, so this blue shirt is bothering me a bit. You can go to the HSL sliders. So what I'm going to do is I'll shift this blue and make this a bit more green. Okay, that's actually too much, somewhere over there. And that's about it. So what you can do is add a bit of sharpness, some noise reduction if you want, and that's it. That's the before and this is the after. Thank you.